Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So today we are going to solve the next problem from the basic maths. Count number of odd digits in the number. So here we are given with the number n, and what we want to return is we want to return number of odd digits present in the that particular number. Okay, and here also the same condition, the number will have no leading zeros except when the number is zero itself. Okay, and apart from that, like there are some examples given here. Let's try to understand that 5 is an odd number, so output will be 1. Here input n equal to 25. Only 5 is odd, so output is 1. 1, 5. Both are odd numbers, so output should be 2. Let's try to submit. Yes, we got it. Let's try to deep dive into the problem. Okay. So earlier we have seen one example where we were counting the number of digits, right? So 6605 was the example, and what we are doing, we are dividing it by 10. So 660, then again 10, then 66, then again divided by 10, then 6, then again divided by 10, and 0. That way we were doing it, right? And in each iteration we were like uh, removing the last digit from the number. Okay, so anyways, let's say dividing 10 by like 6605, dividing it by 10 is giving you 660. That means it is leaving a remainder of 5, right? And 5 is the last digit here. Then dividing the 660 by 10, uh 6 660 by 10 is also leaving some remainder here, right? So it is a 0. Is it like giving 0, right? So that way we can identify the last character or last digit from the number basically, right? So and there is one operator for that, that is modulo. So if you do n modulo 10, it will give you the remainder, right? So let's try to do that logic here. So our odd count will be 0 first. Then what we'll do? What we'll do? We'll write first for loop while n is greater than 0. Till that time we have to divide number. After that, what we'll do? We'll do that same thing, n by 10, right? But we have to do one more thing here. What we have to do? We have to get the remainder, right? So last digit we have to find. So last digit will be n modulo 10, right? And we'll do if what we'll do, if last digit modulo 2 equal to 1, then we will do odd count plus plus. So every odd number will have modulo 2 equal to 1. It will leave a remainder of 1. So that is how we have to solve, and we will return odd count, right? So let's try to code this here. What we'll do int odd cnt equal to 0 first, and while n is greater than 0, then last last digit equal to n modulo 10. This is our last digit, and then we'll check if last digit equal to last digit modulo last digit modulo 2 equal to 1. If it's true, that means we'll increase the odd cnt equal to odd cnt plus 1. After that, what we'll do, n equal to n by 10, and we will return odd cnt, right? Let's try to, okay, 3 is equal to that. Yes, it's accepted. And talking about the time complexity will be, of the number of digits. So it is log base 10 of and a spaces of 1 here. Yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.